My name is Kathy. I came from Barbasa, Antique. That's also hit by the typhoon Yolanda. And my family is one of the victims in our town. And I've been working here abroad just to gather some, just to work in order to buy some medicines for my sick father and for my siblings to go to school. When the typhoon hit my family and my hometown was really hardly devastated, and until now we don't have electricity, and they said that it will come back in 3 to 6 months. And I'm desperate to ask help from you to help rebuild our broken house, and also help my neighbors that lost their homes and lost everything from this because of the typhoon. We lost our little store. That's a primary source of my family's income, and we need your help to rebuild it, and also some of your help. Of course, I will also have to help my neighbors that lost their homes and lost everything because of the typhoon. Dere som guajata och hjälpa oss och stand igen och var så snill, hjälp oss.